What's going on, everybody? I'm Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing. Thank you for being here. Hey, we're gonna go over a water-based tire dressing. This is new, not released yet. It's not available. I will tell you more in just a minute. First, we're gonna get right to it. I'm not trying to play games, but we gotta get this clean. We got us the new heavy-duty wheel and tire cleaner by Armor All. I talked about it just a little bit in a video I did a live on today. It's color changing. You want it to sit for 60 to 90 seconds. It's readily available at AutoZone. I'm liking it because it rinses freely. The color changing effect lets you know when it's time to scrub. So we got our Tough and Shine brush here, and we're gonna get these tires ready for a water-based tire dressing. This tire dressing is ready to use. You can do anything you want. I say that because people are gonna be like, hey, can you dilute it? You can do anything you want. If you want to dilute it, you know, 50-50, sure. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna use it full strength because I think that's exactly how it's designed to be used. That is exactly how it's designed to be used. So we're gonna go ready to use. Well, our tire looks like it's very well prepped. So we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna rinse, so if you have headphones on, stand by, and we're gonna get this rinsing going on and gonna dry the tire off afterwards, okay? So here comes the water. 3, 2, 1, rinsing. I love this stuff. It rinses. It really does. It has some bite to it. I think it's a great, if you're in the weekend and you don't want to buy a foam or something like that, this stuff is pretty good. I'm enjoying it so far. So, I mean, Armor All, hey, not a bad product. All right, so forced air, here we go. We're going to dry this thing off. In 3, 2, 1, here it comes. If y'all never seen this, I did a review on it. I'll actually leave a link below in the description. If you have one, leave a comment. It has heat. It has a high setting and a low setting, but the heat on this, when it kicks in after like 30 seconds, under $85, I love it. Make fun of my bubblegum tape or polka dot, I don't care, but I'm gonna show you how fast it dries these babies. Alright, done. I'm going to mop up around the rim real quick, make sure we don't have any excess. I'm not trying to waste y'all's time. That little tool is great. I absolutely love it. And the previous video before this, so first video I did today was the Armor All heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner, and then we did the Adams wheel cleaner. All right, so we've already decontaminated this, so we're kind of doing a little wheel special. All right, so I'm going to do two things. I'm going to get a microfiber applicator, and I don't think you need a lot of this stuff. Actually, this is going to be my second time. I just played with it like 10 seconds before this video did. Hold on, wait. Oh man, I don't even. What does that smell like? What do you think? Smell good? It smells good, right?
It smells real good.
I don't know. It smells fresh. It's fresh. So we're gonna do a little line like that. That is probably way too much, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna do part of the tire with this, and we're gonna do. I'm gonna dab it around, and we'll do the other half with the foam applicator. How's that? So easy to apply. It smells. Wow. It smells amazing. Look at that sheen. I think it's. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so I will get to it and who makes it, all right, in just a second. So I just want y'all to see, look at that rubbing. I mean, that's pretty good. Yeah? What do you think, Carlos? I think it's pretty good, yeah?
That seems very well.
I think that looks really nice. All right, we'll let that swell. We'll let that dwell real quick. And then we'll get our Eagle One foam applicator that you can get at O'Reilly's. I think it's like $2 for this stuff. I'm gonna do a small line like that. Maybe that'll be better. All right, maybe I'm learning this product also. So here we go. I'm gonna do it like this. Oh yeah, little bit goes a long way. Ready to use, smells good. Yeah, that's wow. Little bit, really. I still use too much product. Like that's incredible. So already right off the bat, we're seeing little bit goes a long way. So you're getting value for the money. I think they both look good. I mean, so pick your poison, whatever. But man, it still smells good on here. So I don't know the name of this. I don't know it, but I do know this is it may not come out. I don't know yet. I'm just got asked if I would test it. So Scott asked me to test this. Dallas Paint Correction Luxury Microfiber. I don't know if this is going to come out or not, but it's a ready to use and it smells good. And there you go. There's the results right there. I think that looks Yeah, non-greasy. There's nothing on my hand. It's already on there. I think that's beautiful. Look, here we go. There's nothing. That's awesome. I love that. So it's on there. So look at that. Drive away, don't have to worry about slings. So yeah, this may or may not come about. I don't know, but I mean, it looks pretty good to me. So thank y'all for being here. Please stay safe. Wash your hands. Y'all keep it simple. Thank you for being here. I love y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.